Assalamualaikum, I'm Ali Timpulok Maganat. My topic is all about reason of the conflict between the Palestinian Arab and Israelis. The Israeli-Palestinian conflict is one of the world's most enduring conflicts, beginning in the mid-20th century. Various attempts have been made to resolve the conflict as part of the Israeli-Palestinian peace process, alongside other efforts to resolve the broader Arab-Israeli conflict. So, yung Arab-Israeli conflict is hindi na bago sa atin. So, ito ay nag-start ng mid-20th century. So, ibig sabihin 1940s, no? Nung nagsimula maging refugee ang mga Israelis papuntang Palestine. Then, first refugee lang sila. Then, kalaunan is naging colonialist na rin. Public declarations of claims to a Jewish homeland in Palestine, including the First Zionist Congress of 1897 and the Balfour Declaration of 1917, created early tensions in the region. So, nagkaroon ng public declaration sa Palestine ng Jewish homeland as early as 1897 sa kanyang Congress. Then, noong 1917, nagkaroon ng declaration. Simula nun, is nagkaroon ng tension between the Arab and Israelis dahil sino ba naman ang gustuin na magawa ng lupa. Following World War I, the mandate for Palestine including a binding obligation for the establishment in Palestine of a national home for the Jewish people. Tensions grew into open sectarian conflict between Jews and Arabs. So, simula nung World War I, yung World War I is nag-start po siya noong 1914, then nag-end ng 1918. Nagkaroon ng mandate sa Palestine na nagkaroon ng Jewish settlement para sa mga Jewish people, no? Pero hindi rin siya naging maayos, no, yung pagkakaroon nila ng tirahan sa Palestine dahil merong sectarian or magsabihin may segregation, no? Mas maganda yung treatment sa mga Jews kaysa sa mga Arabs. The 1947 United Nations Partition Plan for Palestine was never implemented and provoked the 1947-1949 Palestine War. The current Israeli-Palestinian status began following Israeli military occupation of the Palestine territories in the 1967 Six-Day War. So, yung United Nations na partition plan is hindi talaga siya na-implement kasi nga marami ring may ayaw ng mga Palestinian. Sino nga ba naman ang papayag na hatiin ang kanilang lupa nang wala silang permission? Then, nagkaroon to ng mas malaking pag-occupy ng mga Israel or yung mga Jews sa Palestinian land pagkatapos nung Six-Day War noong 1967, pagkatapos matalo ng mga Arab na mga ibang Arab leaders sa Israel, and mas lalong lumaki yung teritoryo ng Israel.